Just a mini tour of my friend's shed with some of his cars in it. So the first one is just show you some. I think he's got 3 sheds full of cars. I don't know why he has, but so here's a Vauxhall Velox 57 apparently. Very nice car. Warranted and registered. Starts blah blah blah. Goes to car shows. Lovely car. That's one Velox. And down here, got another Vauxhall Velox. Another Vauxhall Velox. Another Vauxhall Velox. And another Vauxhall Velox. Through this, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the one way over there, 5 Vauxhall Veloxes. 5 Vauxhall Veloxes. And then the other cars that are in here, we've got a stupid camper van, in the stupid 1981 Ford Landau hearse. Another stupid car if you ask me. I don't know why I bought it, but oh well. What he was into, doesn't really mean. I love Fords, I absolutely love Fords, but I wouldn't buy a hearse. No way. Then we've got a Pajero V6. Pajero sounds lovely when it's going. The V6 sounds lovely just because of the exhaust. We've got a 1934 Hellman. 1934 Hellman. It's quite nice and mint. It's not on the outside, but the inside's a bit bare. Yeah. 1934 Hellman. We've got a 2.8 litre Ford Granada. What year is it? 1979. 1979 Ford Granada with a 2.8 litre V6 in it. Another lovely car. It's got velour trim. It looks very like an XD, doesn't it? XD Fairmont, XD Falcon, but it's not. It's a Granada. It's got the 34 Hellman. We've got the what they call a land crab, Morris 1300, Morris 1000, Morris 1200, something like that. And we've got this. What's this one? It's a 51 Hellman, 1951 Hellman. So I've got the 34 Hellman right there. Got the 34 Hellman there. And we've got the 51 Hellman there. So 17 years later. Hellman Minx it's called. Hellman Minx. Oh, it's quite tidy inside, isn't it? Quite tidy inside. We've got a Suzuki what? Suzuki Wagon R. Then this another Suzuki Wagon R right there, but it's actually can be converted into a trailer. See that? It's a trailer. So even though it's a whole car, it's got no insides left. See? No steering wheel. No, nothing. Let's use the trailer. I suppose we take it out of the take these seats out. Can be used. Quite a good idea. Waterproof trailer. Fantastic idea. So got one Suzuki Wagon R, that one, another Suzuki Wagon R there, that's 3, plus he owns one that he drives around with the right radio, that's 4. What else we got here? Oh, here's the other rest of the back of the Hellman. Hellman Minx. Quite lovely in here, isn't it? It's quite bloody lovely in here. It's quite mint. It is. It's quite bloody mint. Mint is. Even the headlining's in. Get the headlining's mint. This has been done up. Wow. This is very nice. I like this. I like this a lot. I like it. I like it a lot. Indicators. Starter, panel, wiper. And the key, of course, it doesn't have any battery in it, so there's no battery in it because the batteries just go flat sitting there. So no. So what you do is turn that key and then pull the starter. And it's mint. I like this car. What else we got? A Mitsubishi GTO. They're okay, I suppose, but they're okay, I suppose. Automatic though, but that's alright though. These bought out of these GTOs come out with a twin turbo V6 with a 6-speed manual. Oh, I suppose, but not my thing. Not my thing. Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy. A Trekker. It's a Trekker. Apparently, it's New Zealand made. Spelled Trekka. Trekker, made in New Zealand. Apparently, it's very rare, but rare and then people wanting one. Different story, isn't it? It's like a Land Rover, but it's made in New Zealand apparently. And that's it, really. It's the three Vauxhall Veloxes. Oh, there's one there, one there, one there, one there, and one here. And that ends our tour. Thank you.